All right, our vegetable stock is going, so we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 450. And then we're going to boil about 1.5 cups of water. We're going to add some salt to this. And this is for our potatoes. We're not actually going to cook them for that long. We're going to soften them up a little bit so they'll roast just that much faster. Okay, we're going to take our casserole dish. We're going to take our butter and we're just going to grease along the bottom of it. And I'm doing this rather liberally. And then we're going to set that aside. We're going to take a piece of our tin foil. And we're going to put our 4 garlic cloves here in the center. I'm going to measure out 1/2 teaspoon of oil. And we're going to just pour them over the cloves of garlic. I'm going to go and just add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. We're going to close them up so that the oil cannot escape. We're going to go ahead and put this in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes.